How to change the username of your account in Windows 11. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily change the username of your Windows 11 account. So all you need to do is simply follow these easy steps listed out in this video. So the first thing that we need to do is head on to the control panel in your Windows 11 computer. So to head on to the control panel, you can drag down your cursor towards the bottom of your screen, and then onto the search bar you can simply type for control panel, and under the best matches you might see this control panel application. So simply double click onto the system application of control panel and you can see the following interface. Now from here you can see this option that says user accounts. So simply click onto the user accounts, and from here it will give you two more options. The first one is the user accounts and the another one is the credential manager. So you need to click onto this first option of user accounts. Then under the user accounts, it is currently showing me this user account in which I am logged in. But for example, if you want to change the username of some another account which is present into your system, what you can do is simply click onto this manage another account. So here you can see that I have this another account with the name test. So let me click onto this and I can see the same options as I was seeing before. So here are the options, and the first option says change the account name. So this is the particular option that will enable us to change the username of this particular account called test. So simply click onto the change account name, and from here it will ask you for a new name. So let us name it anything. So for example, let's say cat. So once you have named this particular account, you need to click onto this button which says change name. So simply click onto the change name button, and here you can see that the account information has been successfully updated, and instead of test it is now showing cat. So that's how easily you can change the username of your Windows 11 account. So if this video was any helpful to you, consider giving it a like. Tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.